Hi everybody, this is Jessica from Sinton Group. Let's introduce you precautions for the application of heat conductor oil furnace in press printing machine. When using a heat conducting oil furnace in the pressing printing machine, it is essential to take certain precautions to ensure safe and efficient operation. Here are some important precautions to consider. For proper installation, ensure that the heat conducting oil furnace is ordered correctly according to Sinton's guidance. Improper installation may lead to malfunction or safety hazards. Regular maintenance. Perform regular maintenance checks on the furnace, including inspecting the oil circulation system, electric components, and safety devices. Clean and replace filters and oil as recommended by Sinton. Temperature control. Use a reliable and accurate temperature control system to maintain the designed temperature. Avoid overheating as it can cause damage to the press printing or the material being processed. Emergency shutdown system that can quickly turn off the heat conducting oil furnace in case of any abnormality or emergency situation. Proper ventilation. Ensure adequate ventilation in the working area to prevent the accumulation of heat and fumes. Proper ventilation also helps maintain a safety working environment. Operator training. Provide proper training to the operators using the processing printing machine and heat conducting oil furnace. They should be aware of the potential hazards and safety protocols and how to respond in case emergency. Fire safety measures. Keep the fire extinguishers and other firefighting equipment readily available near the heat conducting oil furnace. Training personnel on how to use them effectively. Inspect the hoses and pipes. Regularly check the hoses and pipes for any signs of wear, leakage, or blockage. Damaged or worn out hoses should be replaced properly. No unauthorized modification. Do not make any unauthorized modifications or adjustments to the heat conductor oil furnace. Any changes should be made by qualified technicians following manufacturer guidance. Overload prevention. Avoid overloading the press printing machine beyond its recommended capacity. Overload can put undue stress on the heat conducting oil furnace and compromise safety. Emergency preparedness. Have a clear emergency response plan in place. All personnel should know the emergency procedures and evacuation routes. Environmental considerations. Purpose of used heat conducting oil performance. Adhering to local environmental regulations. Avoid spills and leakages that could harm the environment. By following these precautions and guidance, you can enhance the safety, reliability, and longevity of heat conducting oil furnace in your press printing machine and minimize the risk of accidents or equipment malfunctions. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions and safety guidance specific to your equipment.